Cracking the code. Detecting sarcasm and irony in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English language comprehension: detecting sarcasm and irony through word choice. Sometimes, what someone says isn't exactly what they mean. This concept can be a little tricky to grasp, especially if English is not your first language. However, by the end of this video, you'll have some great strategies to recognize and understand these nuanced communication styles. So, let's dive in. First, let's clarify what we mean by sarcasm and irony. Sarcasm often involves saying something but intending the opposite, usually to mock or convey contempt. For example, if it's raining heavily and someone says, "Oh, great weather we're having," they're likely being sarcastic. On the other hand, irony refers to a situation or statement characterized by a significant difference between what is expected and what actually happens or is said. Like saying, "The fire station burned down." Now that we've defined our terms, let's discuss how to identify them through word choice. In English, a sarcastic remark often includes positive words but with a negative tone. It's the contrast between what is said and how it's said that indicates sarcasm. Look for overly positive phrases in negative contexts or vice versa. For instance, someone might say, "Well, that's just brilliant," when something goes wrong. The word brilliant is positive, but it's used in a negative context, indicating sarcasm. Irony can be a little more challenging to spot than sarcasm because it relies on understanding context and expectation. When someone says something ironic, the words they choose will often contradict the reality or context of the situation. For example, calling a tall person tiny is an ironic use of language. Here, the word tiny is contradicting the reality, making it ironic. Remember, context is key. Understanding the situation and the speaker's intent can help you detect sarcasm and irony. Is there a mismatch between the words and the context? Is the speaker exaggerating or underplaying something? Are they saying something opposite to the reality or expectation? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you might be dealing with sarcasm or irony. Understanding sarcasm and irony through word choice is a skill that takes practice. But with the strategies we've discussed today, you're well on your way to mastering these nuanced aspects of English language comprehension. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, sometimes the words we choose mean more than what meets the eye. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.